What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Moto experience. I'm here in my garage with the space heater on because it is currently snowing and below freezing outside. While riding off-road, I've been hearing my chain clanking around. So I thought it was time to check my drive chain free movement and tighten her up. I'll show you how it's done, hopefully get it done quickly so I can get back inside. The Scrambler 400X owner's manual says the drive chain free movement must be within the range of 40 to 45 millimeters or 1.57 to 1.77 inches. And as you can see here, my drivetrain free movement is about 2 inches. So we've definitely stretched quite a bit, and that's why it's clanking. The tools needed to adjust your chain: 24 millimeter on my breaker bar for this rear spindle nut, and 2 crescent wrenches, a 12 millimeter and a 10 millimeter. We loosen the spindle nut. I recommend the breaker bar. Obviously, we don't need to take it off, we just need to loosen it. And then you take the 12 millimeter crescent and loosen the locking nut. We'll loosen that just a little bit so we have some wiggle room. And we need to do it on both sides before we can adjust either side. You can see there's 2 little dots. That's how they mark the position of the chain adjuster. So we just need to make sure that I spin the adjustment bolt the same amount and keep an eye on these little dots so they match on both sides. So you turn clockwise to increase drive chain movement and turn counterclockwise to decrease. And since my chain is too slack, I need to decrease the free movement, and I will be turning this counterclockwise. Back on the left side of the bike, and do just a full turn like I did on the other side. And just that single turn, I can see it's a little closer to that second dot. Since my chain was so slack, so far outside of the recommended range of chain movement, I'm going to give her another turn on each side. Let's check the drive chain free movement. Nice, that is much better. Looks like it's fallen at 1.6 inches, which is right in the middle of the recommended range. So let's tighten up the lock nuts, then tighten the rear spindle, and we're set. Yep. Alright, that was a lot easier and faster than I expected it to be. I'm excited to ride my motorcycle this weekend. It's been really snowy here at home, but tomorrow morning I'm driving south to Nevada, going back to Gold Butte National Monument, do some riding, do some camping. It's going to be sweet. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, share it with your family and friends. If you want to see more of the Scrambler 400X, stay tuned for future adventures, uncut ASMR rides, moto camping. I have so much planned. A lot of cool stuff coming out. So again, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.